Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you the suspension or shocker adjustment in CB350. So if you want to just adjust it, put the bike on center stand, lift this part. So just lift this part. Once if it is lifted enough, you can just rotate this part, like that small rings are there, no? You can just rotate it. So currently it is in center position. So this is for softness. This is the softest, and here to the right side it is most hard one. So just you have to basically lift it and shift that ring. That's it. You can do it alone without going to the service center. So this is how it's done. So softer side it will give more comfort in the potholes. Stiffer side it will be good for highways, so just keep it in center. So basically 5 level adjustment is there, so basically you can keep it at 3. So that's it for this today's video. Thank you.